Cayan Tower, the twisted wonder. Cayan Tower, a remarkable 75-story skyscraper, stands out as one of Dubai's architectural marvels with its unique twisting design. Rising 307 meters, this iconic tower spirals a full 90 degrees from base to top, creating an optical illusion that's sure to grab your attention. As you gaze up, you'll be amazed at how it defies conventional architecture, offering a glimpse into Dubai's flair for groundbreaking designs. Designed to reduce wind forces on the building, the tower's twisted form isn't just visually striking, it's also functional. Its innovative structure minimizes the impact of strong winds, ensuring stability and comfort for residents. Each floor is rotated by 1.2 degrees, adding to the tower's graceful yet futuristic appearance, which you can't help but marvel at. Inside, the Cayan Tower is equally luxurious, with contemporary apartments boasting panoramic views of Dubai Marina and the Arabian Gulf. Imagine waking up to sunlit waves or watching the city's vibrant nightlife from above. Living here feels like residing in a work of art. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast or simply someone who loves exploring new places, Cayan Tower is sure to leave a lasting impression. Its bold twist symbolizes Dubai's limitless creativity, inviting you to admire a city where innovation truly knows no bounds.